Today's video features carrots, and it's brought to you by CLA. We run 6 farmers markets across Los Angeles. My name is Ivy, your personal health educator, and I'm excited to show you how to make a colorful, easy, and delicious carrot, beet, and apple salad with ginger lime dressing. 1 cup of chopped carrots provides you with an excellent source of vitamin A, providing more than 400% of the recommended daily value, a source of vitamin B6, which helps convert food into energy. In California, carrots are available year-round. Select fresh carrots that are smooth, firm, well-shaped, and with an even color. Avoid carrots that feel soft, limp, or wilted. Also, did you know you can find a variety of colored carrots in the farmer's market, like purple, yellow, white, and more? Carrots can be stored and refrigerated in a plastic bag for up to 2 weeks. Now that you know all these great tips, let's make a salad. Today I'm going to share with you a fun recipe that adds vegetables and fruits to your meal or snack.
First, rinse your carrots, beets, and apples before you peel them. Gently rub produce while holding under running water and pat them dry. Next, grate 1/3 of a cup of each of carrots, beets, and apples and place aside in a large bowl. For dressing, rinse your ginger and lemon or lime first. Once the ginger is rinsed, peel or cut off tough skin. For easy peeling, scrape off the skin with the edge of a spoon. In a small bowl, squeeze 3 or 4 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh finely grated ginger root, and whisk all together. Pour dressing onto the grated carrots, beets, and apples, toss together, serve, and enjoy.
This is a delicious, quick, and simple recipe to enjoy your fresh carrots. Our fresh produce came from a local California farms at CLA's Farmers Market. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my nutrition tips and quick, delicious carrot, beet, and apple salad with ginger lime dressing recipe. Don't forget to click subscribe and follow us at PS Buena Cocina on Facebook and Instagram for more great nutrition and recipe tips. I look forward to sharing more California fresh recipes with you. Until then, enjoy your carrots, stay healthy, and see you at a farmer's market soon.